These OS2 LC to LC single-mode fiber patch cables from FiberCablesDirect are designed for high-performance data transmission in a variety of professional settings. Each cable in this 10-pack features a durable construction with Corning optical fiber cores and ceramic ferrule LC connectors, ensuring reliable connectivity and minimal signal loss over distances up to 3 meters, 9.84 feet. The cables are encased in a sturdy, yellow 2.0 millimeters PVC jacket with zip cord reinforcement, making them suitable for deployment in educational institutions, corporate environments, military and defense applications, government agencies, healthcare facilities, finance sectors, and general commercial use. The core cladding ratio of 9:125 ensures efficient light transmission through the fiber, supported by a low-refraction cladding material that maintains signal integrity. These cables are compliant with OS2 9125 single-mode standards, ideal for long-distance data transmission where high bandwidth and low attenuation are critical. They come with a 100% lifetime warranty, reflecting their commercial-grade durability and cost-effectiveness. Whether used in local area networks, LANs, wide area networks, WANs, or data centers, these FiberCablesDirect patch cords offer superior performance and reliability, packaged securely for global delivery via any carrier.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.